Track 2, RaceGOW. Thought I had a few batteries left over for this guy, so I thought I'd get a little dangerous inside. Literally my first set of laps on this course, and that was not bad. That felt really good, actually. I've been flying the Air 65, Beta FPV Air 65 with a Pico Razor camera in it because it's got a much wider lens. But I've been flying this with the original frame, the stock version 1 frame. So I'm going to try version 2 frame on this one. This color frame looks kind of like ketchup, but not the good ketchup, like the kind that squirts out all watery first. It's kind of a throw up of colors. I don't like it. Oh, interesting. I do think I'd notice a difference. I can't tell if it's good or bad. Yeah, I guess if I could summarize how it feels differently, it feels more nimble. Oh yeah, let's do some freestyle, of course. That's fun. It definitely feels more nimble, like it's a little bit quicker to respawn. That's definitely not going to like be the game changer and all of a sudden make you a fast pilot. But if you're swapping frames anyways, I don't know why you would ever do the version 1 frame as opposed to that. So yeah, it's a nice frame. Here's the Nanoscout. I thought this thing was supposed to be really durable, like the frame was supposed to be good, but I broke it right away. I just went through, see what I could save with weight. What is that? 1.8 grams I saved. Motor plugs off, swapped the antenna, shortened a couple wires, and swapped props. I think that'll be well worth it. Ooh, I feel like those are really fast. I think those are good. Oh, just a little bit. I'm excited.